Hi, in this video tutorial, I'll be showing how to use multiple media bins to trigger to different layers at the same time. I'm going to start by making a new project and setting up my media bin. So I'm going to inspect it and hit the detect button and set up a few triggers. Turn that off. Now I'm going to load in some video clips as so. And if I hit QWER, it triggers them onto that layer. The next thing I want to do is set it up so that this does some transitions. So I'm going to go under Layers, add another layer, and for convenience, I'm just going to add some names to these now. So I'll call this bin 1A, bin 1B, and I'm going to go under Plugins and add a 2-channel mixer, which will let me set up some automatic crossfades. So I'll set this to A and B. I'm going to turn on the auto fade option, and the last trick that I need to do is in the media bin inspector, switch it from monophonic into cycle mode, and this will set it so that as I trigger, the menu up here will cycle through its different options. And now I get crossfades between those two layers. So the next thing I want to do is add another media bin to my project and set it up the same way. So I'm going to go under here, add another media bin, like so, and put this over here. And similarly, I'll just go and add another 2-channel mixer. There we go. And before I can set this up, what I need to do is, of course, add 2 more layers. So 2 more layers, and I'm going to use these in the second bin, into B. Now that I have these 2, I'll set them up the same way. But for the media bin, what I need to do is limit it so that these menus aren't showing all 4 options when I do the cycle mode. So for this bin, I'm going to go under Menus, and I'm going to disable bin 2's options, and I can even tell it to not auto-enable new layers created in the future, which can be useful so that I don't have to go back in here. And similarly, I'm going to go to bin 2 and disable these first 2 and disable this auto-enable option. So if we add more layers in the future, we won't have to go through it. And for this one, I just forgot to enable cycle, so let's go and do that. And now I'll just do the same things for this bin. I'll set up QWER, and there we go. I just have to turn on auto fading for this one, and away we go. Each one starts fading. Of course, one of the downsides of this is they're all looking at the same clips right now, so I'm just getting everything duplicated twice. What I might want to do is take some of these clips by holding down Shift and selecting them, dragging them onto another page, popping over to there, and now I get different clips for each of my layers, and I also get transitions on top of that. So this, of course, can be duplicated and done with more layers if needed, but here's a quick example of using 2 media bins to trigger onto 4 different layers with crossfades using 2-channel mixers. Thanks for watching.